Maskata kanaka, dear friends. Ditete Rasta. Today, I've got a topic that I wanted to discuss. I was busy thinking it was on later say, but I finished work rather late yesterday. So I had lots that was going on this morning. I did my international calls, a bit of online banking, and tomorrow, in bed. We are listening to Winky D. This is the saxophone version. But Nasi topic here is going to be looking at a particular thing. It's inspired by one of my Facebook friends, Anonzi Dagi Shabaya. He actually said to me one day in my inbox, what kind of a girl are you? Yeah, that was his question. And then we laughed. I've never met Dagi, by the way, but we are close, we're very tight, we're always talking and liking each other's pictures. So what this made me think about is that I'm quite an unusual person. So I'll talk a little bit about myself. And I'll talk about you as well, and I'll encourage you. So, who are you? It's really looking at what makes you. Don't you just hate people who come into your space and already hakutara to not drive a Jaguar and dine imba yangu ku Brooks and dine Gucci handbag ko wafunzwa nani name wafunzwa nani. You know, what makes a person? In Nijangwa, I look at the mind, the body, and the spirit. Even when I'm making friends, especially lady friends, you get some people who are so beautiful and very deity, but they've got a contrary spirit. Puts you down and kind of like want to elevate themselves based on making you feel less than. Antombo, if you want less stress, if you want my problems to disappear, keep away from those kinds of people. And especially also Varune Vanuya exhibit this peacock behavior. Kuwafunzwa nani? Inini zvandinazo handishambadze nezvazvo. It's not as much as you have, but I'm equally proud of it and I've worked really hard for it. So just be nice when you're out there. Who are you is not about my credentials zako. It's not about your paycheck. It's not about the type of car you drive. Kana watu wakaenda ku university kupi. Kana watu wakazotravel which countries. Kana kuti are you affiliated to the first family or, you know, people who name drop. Isn't that irritating? So in Nzambo, I just encourage people kuti in life, there are certain things that really help. And I'm going to talk to you as well as the nurses. You know, well, I don't walk in the wards anymore, but I have been in a position where you're working with people who are very damaged and you help them to build their lives. So one of the things that's really important in life is about being spiritually anchored. And even research evidence-based in Kaita Google, it will tell you that people who've got a spiritual connection, it can be Chivanu, it can be Christianity, it can be Buddhism, it can be Islam, it can be any kind of spiritual connection, even just the recognition that there's a power higher than yourself. It means that when you recover much quicker than everybody else. And you actually make a lasting and a meaningful recovery because there's a power higher than yourself. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was about our bodies. People going to the gym, working out and looking good. Oh, look, I can see my waistline now. I don't think I'm going to go to South Africa because I've been doing my Michelin essay disappear. I've still got some, but they're going away, which is really good. But you have to look after your body. This is the host for your spirit. It's the host for your soul. So if you don't look after it, you've got nowhere to live. Haven't you heard of people, all the money in the world? Steve Jobs, Apple. He had all the money in the world, but he couldn't buy health. Isn't that sad? Isn't that really, really sad? In Inwofoot, I lost my Babamdiki. Babamdiki, he was a musician. Drove family guitar. He was afflicted by a condition, motor neurons disease. You know, he had all the money, the best things, but he couldn't buy his health. There's a really beautiful song that he did. I'm going to share it on my page later on. And when I listen to it, I hear a man that's giving us insight into what is this disease, because he's kind of singing this song to Mbuya, his mom. But he's explaining how this motor neurons disease is affecting him. Really powerful. So Steve Jobs, they've left clues. You know what? Get your act together. Barbecue. Like it's going out of fashion. Gout and all these other illnesses. Also, as black people, we're particularly prone to illnesses such as high blood pressure, heart disease. GP do something because I've got raised cholesterol. So what that means is that mafuta ari muropa anogona kuwanda zvekuti they clog your circulation, unozogona kuita heart attack. Saka muchindoona ndichiita rave about fitness and I'm putting all those exciting things on my wall. It's not that I want to look good. Yes, of course I want to look good, but it's not the be all and the end all. But coming back to who you are, don't befriend somebody because they've got a beautiful physique. Physique inopera, unogona kutoita accident, une stories akazotiitira zvedu njodzi dziya dziya. But you see, if you've got a characteristic yakanaka, you are attractive irrespective of your situation. Saka tataura body, tataura spirit, topinda mumind. Ndiko kune yese manje ikoko. And I always say connect to the mind. As parents as well, guard your children's minds, protect them, mold them. People are influencing them in ways that are contrary to your own core beliefs. And especially in diaspora, we are disadvantaged because we have to put our children in the hands of other people. But send them to the good schools, my good play groups, vet them, because the mind is where it's all happening. Yeah, I think the cover to question. So just define yourself who you are. What I said to Dagi was, Inina, I'm a hybrid. And he just laughed. He said, what is that? A hybrid, meaning that in Inine I have no biological sister. So I grew up with 4 boys. You find me groups and doing all sorts of kind of stuff. That is quite deliberately, actually, because I've always had to fight my corner. My brothers made me, wake up. They never gave me an easy ride. So I'm quite assertive for that reason. And my mother was probably a feminist, but I didn't know. I didn't know that she was a feminist. So I've got some feminist traits, but I'm not a feminist. I'm actually a homebody. Who am I? Ndakaverenga mabhuku. The University of YouTube is fantastic. Develop your mind, sharpen up. I always encourage that. But even kana usina tunhu twekuratidza vanhu, just be humane, be nice. Ndo chikuru ichocho. So I'm going to be putting out an invitation there. One of my brothers, it's my newly acquired brother. Remember that brother who tried to steal my oxtail? We're really good friends. And we were talking about, what were we talking about? We're talking about matchmaking. And I was boasting that my skills are very, very good. So in my next series, we're going to be looking at matchmaking and how people can meet. In Nrango, I'm no expert in these things, but I do have a match that I made in heaven, and they're happily married with 2 children. That's not bad, is it? So yeah, tapedza. That's nguva. So just be who you are. Be who you want to be. There's no point showing friends a side of you that you are not really. Mangwana wakuzovaratidza a certain side of yourself, contrary to Javakai. Anyway, I think tapedza. So have a good day. Nditete rasta ndakupedza. Salute.